So I wanted to talk to you now about our schedule here at school. It's going to look very similar to Spot's, but a little bit different. The first thing we're going to do is arrive in the morning. We're either going to come by car or bus, and they're going to drop us off in the front or the back of the school, and they'll get us to our classroom. Next, we'll have breakfast. That'll be the second thing we do. We always eat breakfast in our room. The third thing we'll do is have our morning meeting. So right after breakfast, we will have morning meeting where we'll sit in a circle and we'll talk about some things. Fourth, we will have specials, and so we're going to go to the gym. We might go to the library. We'll have Miss De Los Santos, Mr. Lovelace, Mr. L come into our room. After specials, we'll have calendar. So this is a time, again, we'll talk about the calendar. We'll do some fun activities. Then we'll have outdoor learning. So this is where we'll get to go to our playground time. After that, we will have our read aloud. So Ms. Cochran will read a story to you. When we are finished with our read aloud, next we'll have problem solving. So Ms. Cochran might have some toys that you guys can use, some different objects that you guys can play with. We will use ABC Mouse in the classroom, so we will have to probably bring our iPads back. That way we can use them in the classroom. We'll do ABC Mouse and IXL, and we're going to learn a lot through those also. After ABC Mouse, next we'll go to lunch. So we will also eat lunch in our classroom. I can't wait to see what's for lunch for the day. After lunch, we'll clean up and get ready for science. So this might be a time where we might learn about different animals, learn about ourselves a little bit, learn about our five senses. Science is an amazing time also of the day. After science, we're going to get ready for shared reading. So we'll have our shared reading time. And in between here, we might have a time that we can play. It's called constructive time. And so we get to create things. I think I forgot to write that. Shared reading. We'll read one of our big books together, and you guys will also help me read. We have our outdoor learning time again, and so right after shared reading, we'll get ready to go back outside to play for a while. After that, we will come back into the classroom and have small groups. And then at the end, the last thing we'll do is dismiss. That means it'll be time to go home to our moms and dads or grandmas and grandpas. We will either go on the bus or we'll get picked up in a car. So what was the first thing we did? We arrived in the morning. What did we do after we arrived? Good. First we arrived. Second, we had breakfast. Good job. Okay, do you remember what happened at the end of the day? Good. We had outdoor learning, then small groups, and dismissal. Just like Clifford, or just like Spot. It's going to be a very, very fun day. I can't wait to hear about it. I want you now to tell me one thing that you remember about our schedule, one thing that we might be doing here at school. If you aren't coming to school yet and you are going to continue online, tell me one thing that you are excited about during the day. Maybe Ms. Cochran can include it more in her lessons. Okay, I can't wait to hear from y'all. Bye!